Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling your iPhone's personal hotspot so your PC can see it. On the phone, turn on Allow Others to Join and set a WPA2 password. This secures the link. On the PC, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and verify network drivers are current because outdated drivers block connections. Once done, make sure cellular data is on and your carrier plan supports tethering. Otherwise, the hotspot will refuse to provide internet. Now move to pairing and connecting the devices. You now actually connect. For fastest results, choose Wi-Fi. Open PC networks, pick your iPhone's SSID, enter the hotspot password, and wait for an IP address. If Wi-Fi fails, use Bluetooth by pairing the phone with the PC in their Bluetooth menus, then select the phone as a network device. This is slower but conserves battery. For the most stable connection, use USB. Plug the iPhone in, tap Trust, and enable Personal Hotspot. The PC will use the USB interface as the network adapter. You finish by confirming connectivity. Open a browser and load a page, then check the PC's network status for an IP address and gateway. If it fails, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, restart both devices, and reconnect, re-entering the password to ensure accuracy. If problems persist, inspect carrier tethering limits, data caps, and temporarily disable VPNs or firewalls that may block tethering. Once resolved, you'll understand how each step affects security, speed, and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.